In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your top inflows in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to quickly see your biggest sources of income, so you can understand where most of your money is coming from over a selected time period. To do this on desktop, go to the Reports tab in the left sidebar. From there, open the Income Report. At the top of the report, set your date range. You can choose options like the last 30 days, last 3 months, or year to date, depending on what you want to analyze. You can also select which accounts to include or leave it set to all accounts for a full overview of your finances. Once the report loads, look at the breakdown section. This will show your income grouped by category, such as salary, bonuses, or refunds. You can sort these from highest to lowest to see your top inflows clearly. If available, you can also view income by merchant or payer to identify your main income sources. This helps you track your earnings and understand which sources contribute the most to your overall cash flow. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.